My name is Andrew, and this is Rogue Wrenching. A few weeks ago, I was driving this beautiful truck that I have behind me. This is my truck. It's a 1995 Ford F350 with a 7.3 Powerstroke turbo diesel engine in it and a 5-speed manual transmission. Anyway, I was driving this truck a couple weeks ago and went to roll up to a stoplight and experienced a very hard, very stiff brake pedal. Brakes still worked, they weren't fading or anything, but it was just really stiff, very much an unassisted feel in the braking. So today what we're going to do is we're going to diagnose why that is and what's causing that, and then make a plan to fix it. So here we go. Overall, the power braking system that is in this truck is fairly simple. Because it's a turbocharged diesel engine, there's not a consistent intake manifold vacuum that would be supplied to run a vacuum booster. This truck is early enough that it still does run a vacuum style booster, but instead of being run off intake vacuum, again, because it's turbocharged, which means that at times when you're under load, there's actually positive pressure in the intake manifold. This has a mechanical vacuum pump that generates vacuum that runs the brake booster. So essentially all that we need to check here is we need to check and see if the check valve that's on the booster is bad, and then we need to check and see if the vacuum pump is mechanically bad. Really common failure point on these is mechanical vacuum pump. But another thing to consider is these trucks, the HVAC system controls are also run off a vacuum, and in this truck, they're still working. So we want to make sure we're diagnosing the correct part and not just shotgunning parts at this thing. This is a vacuum booster, that's what that looks like. This is that check valve, and so what that check valve does is as vacuum is pulled, air is pulled from the booster through the hose, this check valve makes it so that when you turn the truck off, there's still vacuum in here so you can still stop. This check valve is a fairly high failure point. If that check valve goes bad, you'll have vacuum on this side but not going into the booster. That hose goes down into a manifold down there. And so if you have a hose that came off that manifold, that could give you a hard brake pedal. But also, right here up front, this is the mechanical vacuum pump. So this is going to be the piece that's actually creating the vacuum for your power brakes. This is a very common part, but it's also one of the more expensive components of the system. So we really want to make sure that we're diagnosing this correctly. The other component that can commonly fail is that vacuum booster itself. That can give you the exact same symptom. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to start the truck, let it idle in neutral, and then we're going to pull the check valve out of the brake booster and see if there's vacuum coming out of that. If there's not, then we're going to go back to the vacuum pump, pull the hose off of that, and see if there's vacuum coming out of that. Now, the correct thing to do would be to put a vacuum gauge on it and see how much vacuum it's building. Now, the reality is that if you're on the side of the road and you need to figure this out in a hurry, down and dirty, put your finger over it, see if it sucks. That's all there is to it. So here we go.
So what you can't really see with the camera is I can feel a little bit of air being pulled, but it's hardly anything at all. So the next step that we're going to do is I'm going to pull this clamp back and we're going to pull this fitting off and see if there's vacuum on the hose or if it's getting stuck in this check valve. So this piece right here is the check valve. It's fairly common to fail. In this case, I have no vacuum coming out of the manifold.
Okay, so it was a little bit loud while the engine was running, but basically here's what we did. We took the check valve, which is this little guy, we took him off of the brake booster and tested for vacuum out the end here and had none, and so then we removed the check valve entirely and tested for vacuum coming into here. So if you had vacuum here and then with this installed no vacuum out here, this is your problem. However, in this case we have no vacuum coming out of here and did a quick look down underneath and found no vacuum lines that were exposed or broken down on the manifold, and so we can conclusively condemn that vacuum pump. So at this point we're going to put these pieces back together and order a vacuum pump. Okay, well there you have it. This truck, the problem that is causing its hard brakes is the mechanical vacuum pump. Very common failure point on these first generation Ford Powerstrokes. The later generation went to a Hydro Boost. I'll cover that in a later video. If you're interested in seeing how to replace this component on this truck, drop a subscribe. That video will be coming as soon as I can get that part ordered. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys very, very soon.